Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. Since past few days, I have been getting comments and messages from few students asking me to teach in Telugu. Following them up, I got to know that they are from government schools wherein the online classes did not start for them and they were really in need of some teacher. So I thought it would be good if I could provide them free classes. So because the live interaction for teachers is not possible right now within these limited resources, so I thought why not start a free class for them, because I too belong from a lower middle class family group, so I can't afford to give any monetary benefits, or I can't help them financially, but I have little knowledge which God has given, so I can share my knowledge with them. Specifically, class 10 students are facing a lot of problem because they have their board exams and they are really tensed, so they want some help from me. So I thought, okay, so I'll be providing free classes for class 10 students. Okay, so all you need to do is, now this is for government students, let me make it clear. Now why government students? Because for private students, some or the other way the classes have started and they are engaged in learning in some or the other way, but government students, they are not engaged in any classes and they are really in need of help, especially class 10 students, because they should write their board exams and they are really tensed and worried about that. So this is specifically for class 10 government school students of both Telangana and AP. Okay, so I have given a small form here. Below the video you will find title. If you click on that, you will find some description written there. Okay, something written in that, you will find a link. Okay, a form. If you click on that link, you will find a form. Okay, in that form you have to fill in your basic details like your name, your school. Now why am I asking these details? Because since it's free course, some students who may not need it also may wish to join it, but since they have other classes also, they may not use it, to 100%. So I will filter these students and I want to teach right now these free classes. I want to teach only for those needful students who are really in need of it. Okay, so yesterday also we conducted a survey in which we came to know that 30% of our students are from government school. Okay, so maybe you are from 8th class, 9th class of government school, so you can tell your seniors to join it. Okay, and if you are of class 10 student, government school class 10 student, you may ask your friends also to join it, so that we can help each other. Okay, so I'm ready to help you all. So all you need to do is you just fill in that form and submit me. Okay, I'll filter because I am a single person who can take classes, so I don't want thousands of applications wherein I cannot teach you properly again. So I'll limit the applications, I'll filter it. Okay, depending on your details, I'll see if you're genuine, if you really need help or not. So depending on that, we shall conduct the classes. Okay, so send your responses, fill that form as soon as possible so that we can start the classes. Okay, and there is another shout out to all the teachers out there. Okay, if any teacher, if you would wish to join us to teach these students, because I can take only max for them. So if there is any other subject teacher who is willing to teach these students for free, you can also come. We can form a community and help these students. Okay, so you can contact me with my WhatsApp number, through my WhatsApp or Facebook or Insta, anything. Okay, all the links I will be giving in the description box here, so you can contact me and we can help these students out in some way or the other. Okay, and all these students, class 10 government school students, don't worry, we are here to help you. You just fill out the form, okay, and we'll start classes for you. You may have classes in your school also, but if you need extra help, okay, some help if you need from us, then feel free to contact us. Okay, fill in the form and we will definitely help you. Thank you.